Setting up your PowerPoint presentation. The first thing you're going to do is go to Microsoft PowerPoint presentation and you're going to choose a theme. After you choose the theme, you're going to add your title. Next thing you're going to do is add a new slide. If you select new slide, then the slide layout will pop up. Choose a slide layout that goes with the content that you're getting ready to add next. Then you're going to type in your title. And then add your text to the bulleted portion of the slide. You may also want to insert an image to your presentation. So you can go up to the top where it says Insert, Pictures, and you can find a picture that you already have in your folder, or you can do a search for an image. I'm going to use a picture that I already have. Click on the image, then press Insert. Once you insert your image, if it does not automatically format to the size that you like, you can choose or click on the arrow key, and you can just adjust it until it is the size that is pleasing to your eyes. The next thing you're going to do is insert a new slide and add some more text. After you've added text, then it's time to animate your video. To add transitions, how to animate a text, and add an artistic effect to your image. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on the tab at the top of the screen that says Transitions. Choose the drop-down menu so that I can look at all the different transitions. And I'm going to choose the transition called Origami. So every time I transition to the next slide, it'll fold up in the shape of an origami. Now I can choose to apply this effect to all of my slides by selecting Apply to All, or I can just apply the effect to one slide and possibly choose different effects for each of the other slides. I'm going to go with applying the effect to all the slides. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select the slide, and I'm going to show you how to animate text. The first thing I'm going to do is highlight the text that I would like to animate. Go back up to the Home tab, then go over to Animations, select the drop-down menu, And instead of choosing the entrance, exit, and emphasis options, I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom where it says motion paths, because I would like to add a motion path. And I'm going to choose loop. So my text will loop around when we click the play presentation button. The next thing I'm going to do is add an artistic effect to my image. So I'm going to go back up to the Home tab, click on my image, and then it gives me different options. I can go over to the Format tab and I can add a frame or a square or border around my image. I can select Remove Background. I can click the drop down button for corrections. I can select the drop down button for color, and it'll show me the different options for the color change. But I would like to do an artistic effect, so I'm going to select the artistic effect, and then I'm going to choose an effect, a special effect, because I want my image to look a little different. So now I'm going to select an artistic effect. And sometimes this takes a little time in order to change the image. So if you notice, if you look at the screen, it kind of looks like a watercolor painting. I like the way it looks. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the play button, and I'm going to look at my presentation. So I'm going to go right back to the first slide. And I'm going to click on the Now it's time to play the presentation we just created. And the end. I hope you enjoyed.